Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're going to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you are having this type of issue. There is an issue with your payment method. Update your payment information to correct the problem and try again later. So if you're going to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you are having this type of issue, then here in this video I will show you how you can easily fix this problem if you are getting this type of error while entering the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So in this video I will tell you how you can easily fix this problem, so you will have to watch this video completely so that you will be able to fix this problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then first of all, here you will have to scroll it below, then tap on screen time, and here scroll it below, and here tap on content and privacy restrictions, and here you will have to turn this off from here. Then after that, go back. Then here you will need to again open setting and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. Then after that, go back. Then here you will need to again open setting, then tap on your Apple ID profile. So after that, here you will need to scroll it below, then here tap on media and purchases. Then here you will need to tap on view account. So after that, here wait a while. So after that, here you will need to tap on change country or region. Then tap on change country or region, and from here you will have to select your own country where you are living. So then tap on here. Then after that, here you will need to wait a while. So these are the terms and conditions. If you agree with these terms and conditions, you will need to tap on agree. So after that, here you will need to enter your payment method. So first of all, here you will need to enter your debit or credit card number and make sure that you are entering the correct debit and credit card number. Make sure that here is not any error and the numbers are correct. Then after that, here you will need to enter the expiry date of your debit and credit card. Expiry date should be in 2 digits. Then here the year should be in 4 digits. So after that, here you will need to enter the security code of your debit or credit card, which will be mentioned on the back side of your debit or credit card. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below. Then here you will need to put your billing address. Then here you can also enter the fake one if you don't want to show your billing address here. Then after that, here you will need to enter your city. Then here you will need to enter the zip code of your city. If you don't know the zip code of your city, then you can check from Google or any other browser. Then after that, here you will have to enter your mobile phone number. Then after that, you will need to tap on next, then tap on done. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enter your payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. Make sure that your debit and credit card should not be expired. If it will expire, then you will not be able to enter your payment method on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.